walang ano? Kian. Ay, nabol tayo. Ay, sorry, baby.
So later, just feel free to stand out, move around the boat, however you like.
Okay.
Just be careful when standing out, don't get hit by this.
Okay.
Okay, second thing is try to avoid stepping off any of the ropes or putting your hands on the ropes. Because the ropes are slippery and you get rope burn by putting your hands on.
Thank you.
Okay, the last pointer is we try to keep our phones inside, so feel free to video as much as
Okay, thank you.
Now, if you are interested to sail the boat, you can let us know.
Oh, okay.
I would like to see more into water.
So that is actually very normal, so there's no need to be afraid.
Okay, yeah.
I told them the exact same thing during the first round. Which is
Husband, little scared.
This thing I want to.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, after.
I want to see
Go, Kara.
the boat.
This is your center line. So if ever in doubt, right, like just now, just breathe.
Oh. Be careful. Tina, be careful. M58, what's my number? Mommy, what's my number? Yeah, see, M58, yours is also. What's my number? I don't think.
You want to try, baby? Oh, Kian, siya naman daw.
Okay, she
You want
always
to
say that.
try?
You want to try that? Oh, wait. Don't move. I don't have any water. I'm chill.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.